Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we completed 3D geometric transformation and modeling transformation methods, which is translation and scaling. These two methods we have completed. Okay. So today we discuss rotation. How the object is rotated in different direction, x direction and y direction and z direction. In different direction, how the object is rotated. Okay, so let us discuss in detail rotation. For 3D object rotation transformation, we need to pick an axis to rotate about and the amount of angular rotation, okay, in the 3D object. So 3D rotation can be specified around any line in space. The most common line choices are x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. In these three axes, according to the axis, we can rotate an object. Okay. The easiest rotation axes are those that parallel to the coordinate axis. So, positive rotation angles produce counterclockwise rotation about a coordinate axis. We can rotate into two types of rotation, mainly clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so positive rotation angle produce counterclockwise rotation. Okay, if negatively we can rotate the angle, then it is anti-clockwise. Okay, if we are looking along the positive half of the axis towards the coordinate origin, where an object is to be rotated about an axis that is parallel to one of the coordinate axis. If we can rotate an object about an axis, then that is parallel to the coordinate axis. Okay, we can obtain the desired rotation with the following transformation sequence. So different transformation sequences are in the rotation. The coordinate axis are z-axis rotation, x-axis rotation and y-axis rotation. Z-axis rotation is known as roll, x-axis rotation is known as yaw, y-axis rotation is known as pitch. Okay. So here we also read that if left hand coordinate system is how look like, and in right hand the coordinate system is how looks like. Okay, so here the first figure is, this one is your z axis rotation. Okay, and this one is our x axis rotation and this one is our y axis rotation. In the eye contact, if we rotate along the axis, which axis we want to rotate belongs to this, then the eye contact is that direction only. Okay, so first we discuss z axis rotation. 2-dimension rotation equations can be easily converted into 3D z-axis rotation equation. Okay, rotation about z-axis, we have z coordinate unchanged. When we rotate in the z-axis, we leave z coordinate unchanged. That means we leave the z coordinate. Then here, that means x coordinate and y coordinate positions are changed, but z coordinate positions are same. Okay, so here x dash equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta and y dash equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta, and z dash equals to z. It become unchanged. Okay. So these formulas are all of you learn about this. Remember this. Okay. This is very important. Where parameter theta specify the rotational angle. Here theta is the rotational angle. Okay. So the matrix equation is written as P dash equals to Rz theta into P. P dash is your x dash, y dash, z dash 1, and Rz equals to Rz theta is your cos theta minus sin theta 0 0, sin theta cos theta 0 0, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 0 1. Okay. First one is our x, second one is our y, third one is our z. Z is unchanged. Okay. And P is our original location, which is x, y, z 1. Okay. So this is all about the matrix equation of the z axis rotation, and how you can find out the x, y, x dash, y dash and z dash. All these things, all of you remember this, and this matrix equation also remember this. This is very important. Okay. So here in this figure, z axis we can rotate the image or object from z axis. Okay. That means here this one is our original location, this one is our original location, and the destination is here. So we can rotate this image or object to here to there. Okay. And the x axis will be changed. Here the position is z will be same, no remain unchanged, only positive, but x axis will be positive and y axis will be negative, but in the destination place z axis will be remain same, positive, but x axis will be negative, y axis will be negative. Okay. Sorry, y axis will be positive. So in this way we can rotate this object in a z direction. Now we discuss x axis rotation. The transformation equation for x axis is obtained from equation of z axis rotation by replacing cyclically as shown here. That means we can replace first x axis to y axis, then y axis to z, then z to x. In this way it can cyclically rotate. Okay. So rotation about x axis will leave the x coordinate unchanged. That means the x coordinate will be remain as same. Okay. So here we find out the x dash, y dash and z dash. Okay. First we find out y dash. Y dash equals to y sin theta, y cos theta minus z sin theta, and z dash equal to y sin theta plus z cos theta. Okay. And x dash equal to x, remain as same. Okay. So here you remember these things. Okay. And theta is our rotational angle. Okay. So in the x direction, x axis rotation, the matrix equation is written as P dash equals to Rx theta into P. P dash means x dash, y dash, z dash 1 equals to Rx theta is equal to 1 0 0 0, 0 cos theta minus sin theta 0, 0 sin theta cos theta 0, then 0 0 0 1. Okay. And P is our the original position x, y, z 1. Okay. So this is our matrix equation for x axis rotation, and this one is our how to find out the x, y, z dash, x dash, y dash and z dash. Okay. And in this image in this image, first we rotate x to y, then y to z, then z to x. Okay, in this way it can rotate it. Cyclic will be rotate. Now we discuss y-axis rotation. Okay, transformation equation for y-axis is obtained from equation of x-axis rotation by replacing cyclically as shown here. X coordinate to y coordinate, then y coordinate to z coordinate, then z to x. Remain as same, in which manner it is shown in the x-axis rotation. Okay. Rotation about y-axis will leave y coordinate as unchanged. Okay. Remember, the direction which we can rotate, that direction can be, that coordinate can be unchanged. Okay, that axis coordinate can be unchanged, remain same. So here we find out z dash, x dash and y dash. Y dash cannot be changed, it is remain unchanged. Okay, we can leave the y dash. That means y dash equal to y, and z dash equals to z cos theta minus x sin theta. X dash equals to z sin theta plus x cos theta. And here also theta is our rotational angle. And the matrix equation for the y-axis is written as p dash equals to ry theta into p. Here p dash equals to, p dash means x dash y dash z dash 1, and ry theta is cos theta 0 sin theta 0, 0 1 0 0 minus sin theta 0 cos theta 0, 0 0 0 1, and p is our x y z 1. So all these things, this equation which we can find out, remember it, and also the matrix formation equation we remember it. Okay, so here is a figure. We can rotate from y axis to, we can rotate from y axis rotation. Okay, so today that's all.